Hey, and Sylvie,
Hey Louis.
you remember this pendulum from way back?
Sure I do.
It's back and forth, really big pendulum, all the way to the ceiling of 119 Osman. Well, I would like to check conservation of energy with it.
Of course. Well, how does it work? We know that at the top it has a lot of gravitational potential energy. It goes down, all the energy goes to kinetic energy, and then back to gravitational potential. And it goes back and forth and back and forth.
Yeah, exactly. It's a gravity to kinetic, back to gravity. So, I'm a strong believer that energy is conserved. It's a law of physics. I would like to check that. And I think that this pendulum, maybe there's a little bit of friction, but one thing is for sure, it should not gain energy while it's swinging. So, I'm going to test this. I'm going to put my face in front of that ball and see whether energy is conserved. We have a nice GoPro here, so we can get the view of what the bowling ball too. Shall we try this?
Let's try that.
All right, let's go over there.